Hello guys, today we have with us the gorgeous actress who's yet again ready to surprise us in her big ticket, The Big Bull. Hello Nikita, welcome to India Forums.
Hi, Priyanka. Thank you.
First of all, the trailer looks amazing and we're so sure we're yet again going to see you in a very, very powerful character this time. So if you could just give a थोड़ी सी झलक अपने character के बारे में.
So thank you so much for loving the trailer. My character, the girl I'm playing, her name is Priya. She is playing the love interest of Hemant Shah, that's played by Abhishek Bachchan, and eventually she plays his wife. So Priya's character is a very strong-headed girl. She's not somebody, how you would imagine based in the 80s and 90s, how women used to be back then. She's not exactly like that. She has a point of view. She's very strong in her head. She knows what is right, what is wrong. She knows how to call her husband out when he's making mistakes. So it's very different from what you would imagine how women used to be back then.
Okay. Also, Nikita, like since you know it's based on the Harshad Mehta scam, and इसके ऊपर और भी films भी बनी है पहले, and recently we even had the scam web series. So, did you get any chance to take any cues from them, from those sections, or read about Harshad Mehta's real wife, उनके बारे में, उनके mannerism के बारे में? Did you take any cues?
So of course, this is inspired by some events that happened back in the 80s and the 90s, but it's not really based on Harshad Mehta himself. Also, my character is not based on Harshad Mehta's wife. It's a fictional character that we've created. And I think that's one of the most beautiful things about this character because I didn't have any reference to go and look at. I remember when I'd spoken to Cookie sir and asked him that, is there something you want to tell me? Who can I read about? Who can I go look at? He said, no, you have to make it your own. You have to create this one because there's absolutely no reference to you. So this beautiful love angle that they've created between Hemant Shah, that's Abhishek, and between his wife Priya, it's completely fictional. It of course adds on to the story. It has a major part to play in the story, the film, The Big Bull. But it's not taken from anywhere. It's not replicated from anywhere.
All right. It's good to know that it's a fictional character and we're gonna see something really fresh on the screens then. Also, you have shared screen space now with Abhishek and also with Soham. So how has it been working with Abhishek?
So Abhishek is he's completely fun to work with. I would say, like apart from of course he's way more experienced than I am, and it's really interesting to kind of learn from him and how he takes his scenes and his entire process of getting into the character. It's lovely to watch that. But I think apart from that, off camera when like we are not shooting and when the shots are cut and we're just sitting, he is an entertainer to another level. Like he will make you laugh, he's going to pull your leg, he's going to rag you, and he's going to do that with everybody on set. Like from every person of every department has to be ragged at some point by him. So I think it's really good because he keeps this really light atmosphere on set, where you don't get too worked up and you don't get too stressed out. And I've never seen him worked up. Like I've always seen him chilled and cracking jokes and having fun with everybody. And that's, I think, something very beautiful because generally when we are shooting, like I tend to get stressed out very easily. It's finally now I've started, becoming more patient and more calm. But when I look at something like that, I said that's a really admirable quality that, you can stay so chilled out and not get so worked up, even though you have like such heavy scenes to do.
So any anecdotes now, since you have shared so much, कितनी मस्ती थी sets पे, इतना it was fun loving on the sets. So any anecdote that you recall from the shooting time, ऐसा कोई किस्सा जो अभी तक आपको याद हुआ and you would like to share with the audience?
So I think that's because I shot a lot with Soham and with Abhishek both. So both of them used to really laugh at my dietary habits because there are some silly things that I do, which unfortunately are just a part of my system. Like I would measure my food and eat, and when there was an eating scene, I would not eat the food in the shot. I would basically take it in my mouth and then spit it out later or something. And also the kind of food that we were made to eat while shooting was, you can imagine the food that used to be in the 80s and 90s. Fried khana, even जो केक है, अगर शॉर्ट में केक खा रहे हैं तो वो उस जमाने का केक आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कैसा होगा. So that was
Oh,
the kind of food we had to eat. Even Gold Spot, for that matter, if you've seen the song Ishq Namaza, there's a scene in which we are
yes,
drinking
yes,
Gold
yes.
Spot. So these people had already had their share of laughing at how I used to behave. So there have been instances when they have purposely asked Cookie Sir to not cut the shot immediately so that I can eat the whole thing. I can't spit it out and then feel so guilty later, because after that I used to spend the next 1 2 hours just scribbling that, oh my god, I did eat this and I shouldn't have. So they've made enough jokes about that. They've also forcefully put all these things down my throat, which I couldn't do anything about. So that was like a constant thing.
Oh my god, I can just imagine the fun environment on the sets then with all the
Yes, that's right.
any scene that was difficult to pull off, because from the story or from the trailer we see there are intense moments as well. So any scene that was difficult to pull off?
I think I wouldn't say difficult, because honestly, Cookie Sir is very comfortable to work with. He gives you the right kind of brief, the right kind of direction. So it's not very difficult, even though sometimes you go on set and you don't know what you're going to end up doing. It's all on the director's shoulders, how he kind of maneuvers you around. But I remember the first day of shooting for Big Bull was a little stressful for me, because I had met Abhishek precisely once before that, and we were shooting for the song Ishq Namaza in Delhi, and I was literally thrown on the set without too much preparation, without too much interaction with him. So I was very nervous, and I was just like, how is it going to work out? I have to do romantic scenes with him right now. We have to shoot a song. Also, like, it was one of my first songs, I think my second song. Yeah. Before that, the only one song I've shot is for Kabir Singh. So this was like the second song of my life. So I was quite worked up, but it just went very smoothly thanks to these guys, how they handled the whole thing. So I'm very glad that happened. But apart from that, I think I've had a lot of support from everybody while shooting scenes.
So how did the ice breaking session happen with Abhishek then? Because the complete film is based with between, like, you two guys. So
So I realized we didn't really need like an ice breaking. I met him for the first time when we were doing our look trials, and they had to kind of see how both of us look together. So that was the first time I met him. And by the time I eased out with him being around, is when his father had surprisingly walked in on set, because he was shooting right next door. We were having our look trials in Mehboob, and there was this sudden, this aura that we all had felt, because he walked in from behind and everyone started standing up in the studio. And I also stood up and I looked behind, and there was the great Amitabh Bachchan right in front of me. So it was like on my first day of meeting him, I actually met the father and the son all together. It was very overwhelming at the same time. And I've always said, like, I don't get intimidated by anybody, or, it's a very rare for me to get tongue tied and not know what to say. But that happened to me when I met his father. So he's, of course, been, I think the first time only when he met me, he cracked a joke here and there. So that kind of eased it out for me. And after that, it's been very smooth, and he's been very nice and friendly, I think.
now since you mentioned that, I mean, sir had been on, like, he just surprised you on the sets. So any tips that he gave you all, or any compliments or any ideas कि ऐसे करना है या वैसे करना है?
No, actually, no. So he came very silently, and he stayed there for precisely, I think, 5 minutes. He just met everybody. Abhishek very nicely introduced all of us to him, and he left right after that. He didn't say anything or do anything about it. So I think that was also like him not trying to come and interfere or give his opinion right now when we were just beginning. But his presence only was so overwhelming at that point that I think after he left, Cookie Sir and me both were like, okay, this just happened. we just had him in the same room. But yeah, I think apart from that, he's of course loved the trailer. Cookie Sir has his own stories to tell about how he's called him up about loving the trailer and loving the film so much. He's already watched it. So that, of course, itself in itself is a very big compliment for everybody associated with the film.
So and how has it been working with Soham Shah? Because we also got to know that he's also going to be another surprise package with the film. So how has it been working with him?
Definitely. Soham is he's a firecracker. Like of course on set, whatever scenes we've done, but apart from that, whenever we've had our scheduled wraps and we've all had like a get together amongst all of us, that man has so much energy. He's like so enthusiastic. He's the one who's going to go break the dance floor. He's the one who's going to get everybody to dance. So he is a firecracker off camera. So much energy, and I think I love his. He's very raw as a person. Whatever's in his heart, he just says it out. That's something I love about him.
All right, all right. So one good quality and one bad quality. If you have to tell about both your co-stars, what it would be?
You're putting me in a spot. Uh, okay, I don't know how to put this. I can think of the good qualities because they're on the tip of my tongue. I think if I have to say something about Abhishek, he is extremely humble and he's an amazing human being. He's really good at heart. That's something really good about him. I think if I have to say a bad quality, he's going to kill me if I say it, but it's his eating habits. He eats everything, all the junk, all everything that used to be on set in front of me. Happily, he's eaten it, and luckily, I think he's blessed that he can eat it, and it doesn't have to work it out so much. So, if I have to really put out a bad quality, I think I'll say that. With Soham, of course, he is, as I said, he's very raw at heart. Whatever's inside is outside for him. He's not pretentious at all. It's very difficult to find non-pretentious people in today's world. Bad quality, I'll actually really have to think. I'll have to think hard. Yeah.
All right, all right. No worries, no worries. So, Nikita, what was your first reaction when Kuki sir came to you with the script, and you knew that you have to work opposite Abhishek throughout the film, and again with Soham as well. So what was your first reaction, and were you skeptical? Were you nervous? How was it? How did it turn out?
So I actually came to know Abhishek is a part of this film much later. I was told the script of this film before, and that itself was very interesting for me. Because I've always had this thing in my head that I want to break away from what I've done in the past. I always want to experiment. I always want to play different kind of roles, work with different people. So when Cookie sir narrated the whole script to me, I was extremely intrigued by it, and I said I want to be a part of it. And of course, later I was told that Abhishek is the one who is playing the big bull. So that was, of course, like an added factor because I've always been a fan of his work. I've always admired his work in his previous films. I was a little kid when Refugee had come out and always loved whatever films he's done. So it was exciting, and I would say I've not been disappointed at all because there's so much to learn with having him around on set.
And so, one more thing that now because of COVID situation, films are not releasing on the big screens, but it's gone on the OTT. So, do you think it's anyway going to affect the viewership, or are you like little nervous because itni badi film hai and it's not getting a theatrical release?
Of course, this was supposed to be a theatrical release. It was due to release on the 23rd of October 2020. But with the pandemic, whatever happened and calls had to be taken. But I think in the current scenario, there is no better solution. And this is the best we can get. Because even the films that have come out in the theaters, people have been quite skeptical about going to theaters and watching them. You still have 50% occupancy when theaters were open as well. So right now, being able to watch a film in the comfort of your house, in your own space, at your own time, at your own ease, there's nothing like it. So I think it, in a way, probably in the current situation, it's a blessing in disguise that a film is coming out on Hotstar, and there are more people who are going to end up watching it now.
All right. So, Nikita, next, when are we seeing you, and what are we seeing you with which genre or which character? If you could just let us know a little about it.
Right. So you're going to be soon seeing me in very different genres. There's a horror film that's slated for release this year called Ezra with Imran Hashmi. That's a complete horror film. So that's a very different genre for me. I'm going to be doing it for the first time. And then there's another film called Rocket Gang, which I'm shooting for. That's a completely dance-based film. It's a children's film. Again, that's also going to have a completely different audience base and a different character, different things that I've not done in the past. So I'm very excited with the palette that I have that I'm looking forward to with the releases that are going to come out by the end of the year.
Thank you so much, Nikita. We wish you all the very best, and we are hoping to connect with you very soon because you have two exciting projects in your now.
Thank you so much.
Connect with you very soon, and wish you all the best for the Big Bull and the other projects.
Thank you. Lovely chatting with you, Priyanka. Thanks a lot.
Same here. Thank you so much, Nikita. See you. Bye bye.